Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create your Gmail account very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Firstly, open the Gmail. Then click on profile icon. Here you will see add another account. Click on it and then click on Google. After that, click on create account. Then if you want to create your Gmail account for personal use, then click on personal use. Or if you want to create your Gmail account for work or business, then click on work or business. Because I want to create my Gmail account my personal use, so I am clicking on personal use. Here write first name and surname. After writing first name and surname, click on next. And then here write your date of birth and gender. After writing date of birth, select gender. If you are female, then select female. If you are male, then select on male. Then click on next. Here it suggests me that you can choose your Gmail account. It automatically suggests. If you do not want to choose from here, then you can also create your own Gmail address by clicking create your own Gmail address. Because I am choosing from here, that's why I click on next. Here choose a password. Your password should be minimum 8 character. Then click on next. After that, scroll down the page and click on yes, I am in. After that, click on next. Then scroll down the page and click on I agree. So by following these processes, you can easily create your Gmail account. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.